G'day and welcome back everyone to Wayne's Diecast. In this video we have a 1/64 scale Tomica Vintage Limited Neo. This is the Nissan truck, the King Cab, 4x4 King Cab, otherwise known as the Nissan 720. This is still in its sealed box. I've been displaying this on the shelf for a little while now. A good mate of mine gave this to me for my birthday, surprised me. It was my 50th birthday back in August, and yeah, surprised me with this one. I knew he had it, I didn't know he was going to give it to me. He was over in Japan not long after these came out and went to a hobby shop and sent me photos, and I'm like, oh, I want one. And yeah, he's like, well, I'm kind of out of space, so you'll have to miss out. And I said, oh, it's okay, I'll get one. I never managed to get one, and then he turned up and surprised me with this. I'm like, I thought that you wanted it. So yeah, so now I have it and I will look after it. Thanks, mate. You know who you are. And much appreciated. I have thought about, actually, I don't often leave things in the box, but I've actually thought about leaving it in the box. But no, I can't do that. Sorry. I need to get it out because that's just how I operate. I will keep the box, definitely. But no, it's coming out, and I don't think he'll mind. So, oh, plastic. Come on. Really got to change the blade in this knife. It is very blunt. Now we've got to get a point there where we can actually open it. Alright. Oh, come on. Alright, there we go. That's that plastic off the box. They do a good job of the box. Like, you could certainly leave it like that. Looks good. Good picture and everything. And it is resealable, so you could take it out and have a look and put it back in. That's not a problem, but that's not what I'm going to do. Yeah, so very good job with the packaging. We'll take it out completely. What else do we have here? Accessory. Oh, anniversary. Sorry, that's just my shit knowledge of the English language. Yep. I can read all that. So what is this? Other people that have already got one of these would know. I don't. Is it? Oh, it's just a sticker. Okay. Interesting. So that's just a sticker. That's fine. Keep it there for later. And whatever that says. So there we go. Okay, so very well protected. Very well. No doubt there's probably sticky tape on this, is there? No? There's no sticky tape? Ah, there we go. So we just pop off. And the good thing about this one, if people don't know, I'm sure there'll be some that don't, we have articulating axles, which is the cool feature. Back one's a bit stiff. Does move. That is cool. Very cool. That is nice. So yeah, the Nissan 720 here in Australia. So we've got some chassis detail. I haven't done a 1/64 scale for a little bit. The reason I get into the bigger scales is because I can see them easier. Smaller scales for me now are a bit hard to see. Now this does come with some plastic rocks. Let me come down here so you can see. Actually, probably on the... Actually, I'll put that maybe here. Move some stuff aside. I'll get me a little turntable and we'll do it on there. Let me set this up. There we go. We can see a little better there. So, there we go. We can do that. A little bit of articulation. Fully sick flex. And we'll go even further with it. Wow, look at that. Oh, max flex. Pretty cool. I like that. There we go. Not that this car would ever have that much flex, being an independent front end. And basic leaf spring rear. But this one, awesome. That's cool. I like. Very happy. So that will get displayed with the rest of my Nissans. Cool. That is awesome. So yeah. Very good. Very good. And the details are good as well. The only thing it misses is mirrors, but sometimes when they do mirrors on these smaller cars, they just don't quite get them right, certain manufacturers. So I guess if they can't get it right, then it's better left off. But I reckon Tomica could do the mirror, and I think they would get it right, considering all their fine detail that they do put on. So obviously this is the crossover from Datsun and Nissan. So we've got Datsun down here and then Nissan, because it's more well known as the Datsun 720. I think when it was Nissan here, it was the D21, I think it was. Navara. And I do like this particular year, these years, especially the D21 Navara. I do like them. I'll put that up a bit there. So yeah, very good, very good. Rolls, wow, rolls perfect. Those tyres are fantastic. I wish some other manufacturers, especially like IXO, would get their tyres as good as these. They are great. But yeah, you can see under here we've got transfer case. We've got a front diff. They've done a reasonably good job to make it look like an IFS front. We have our lower arms here. So they've done a pretty good job. Looks like we've got a sway bar there. Shaft, got exhaust, muffler, got the chassis detail there, which is good. Fuel tank, bash plate, spare wheel. Then we have an exhaust tip just here. And then the end of its chassis rail. And I think that spare tyre is close enough to the... is it the actual size? I think it's close, or it might be just a little smaller. But either way, they've done a reasonably good job. I'm happy with that. These are riveted together. But that... yeah, that shaft is a separate piece of the base, and so is the back one. So that's a separate piece, that's really good. And sway bar looks like a separate piece. So yeah, very good job. Very good. I do like that. And then we can see the 4x4 in red there at the front. Nissan and our dual headlights. We do have some fine windscreen wiper details. Got a sort of a browny beige kind of interior, which was fairly basic, but it done the job. So yeah, I think they could have got away with doing some mirrors. I think they would have done quite well with it. So that's sort of all it's missing. Everything else looks really good. So definitely happy with that. Yeah, definitely happy with this. So, thanks, mate. So there we go. There we go. We'll flex it right up again. Hey, look at that. 79 owners be jealous of that much flex. They'd have to spend 50 grand to get that much flex. And it'd still be a weak POS. Alright. We'll check out the other videos that are popping up on the screen. And we'll see you all in the next video. And thanks again, mate. Much appreciated. You can see it next time you come up. Alright. Bye for now.